Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add information about your education and current or previous work on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Manage your Google account, and then you should click on this People and Sharing section on the left side column. Scroll down to the About Me section, headed by this Choose What Others See title. So tap on it, and then you should scroll down to the bottom till you find the Work and Education section, and tap on this plus icon at Work and Education. Here you can add your occupation if you tap on the first section. So type it in and then you can select who can see your occupation, tap on it and then click on the Save button. As you go back by the help of this button, you can add your work history, the name of your organization, job title, start and end year, and the description. And you can also add your education history, including the school name, major or field of study, start and end year, and the description of it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.